The Manchester police are struggling to put the pieces together to find out what led to a triple murder in the parish earlier today. The killing happened in Top Belfield, a usually quiet farming community. TVJ's Herman Green has more.
Some would say it's a false sense of safety. Top Belfield in Manchester is a rural community with no recent record of murders until now.
We're a peaceful, hard-working community where mostly farmers live. So this is something that when I got the call this morning, I was actually very, very surprised. While I rushed to the scene, the community is in shock and disarray because this is something that the community is not used to.
What Councillor for the Belfield Division, Mario Mitchell, refers to is a triple murder. 3 members of one family killed in their home sometime between Monday night and Tuesday morning. The victims, 55-year-old farmer Uroy Norman Morgan, his stepson, 22-year-old Anthony Stevens, and Mr. Morgan's common-law wife, known only as Mabel. The 3 were found by a neighbor sometime after 7 Tuesday morning. Uroy's brother, Jeffrey Pummels, who is also a farmer, told us how he heard of the killings.
This morning, I wake up to go in my bush. About 3 of us supposed to go do some work by the field. So is a next door neighbor me hear a ball and say, if we don't hear what happened. By the time we reach around the crowd, was already around here. Yes, so me go and look, me see all 3 of them lie down on the bed down there.
All 3 had bullet wounds to the head. Up to news time, there were still no more details about the circumstances surrounding the killings. Community members are just as baffled.
We don't know if him and anyone in any force or any problem.
One of the persons who dies is from the community who was born and raised here. The others are persons who were recently moved to the area. So we are waiting to hear what the police have to say about it.
But for now, the police say they are still unable to ascertain a motive. Herman Green, TVJ News.